Happy Saturday, dearest friends and family. Well, it's cleaning time here today. I'm not going to take you through too much. I'm just going to show you how I deep clean my dishwasher, and I hope this is helpful to you. Come along and let's do this. Start off with an empty dishwasher. So I've emptied my dishwasher of all my dishes. I'm going to remove the filter. If you don't know where your filter is, please locate this in your manual or just look it up here on YouTube. There are so many YouTube videos that's going to help you depending on your make and model. So I'm going to spray wash this. I'm using hot water. Some filters will come out very dirty depending on how often you've done this or what kind of detergent you use. The detergent I use washes my dishwasher, so it actually cleans and sanitizes it as it also does the dishes. So it hasn't been that bad, but trust me, before I started using that dish detergent or even knowing that I had to clean my dishwasher, the first time we brought out the parts to clean, it was horrible. So I've done that, set that aside. I've also gone for my other filter. This is the one that has bigger holes. If your dishwasher has that, most likely it does. You want to remove that. It's also detachable. So I just lifted it and I'm using the same hot water to wash it. If yours is very dirty, then you want to use some soap and water, preferably with a brush, and then just brush it down before you replace it. I'm going to put this back in my dishwasher first. All I need to do is press it down and let it fit. So I'm just trying to align it, and there we go. It snaps right back in. I'm now going to put my fine filter back as well. That I'm going to screw in clockwise now. Normally when your dishwasher is smelly or has any foul odor, it's mostly because the filters are dirty. So you want to make sure that you do this periodically so that you get rid of all those odors, because it's not just odors, but it is not sanitary for you to wash your dishes in a dirty dishwasher. Now that we are done doing that, we are going to use some distilled vinegar to do an even more better cleaning. It's going to wash all the parts in your dishwasher. So I've poured about a cup here into my mason jar. You can use any container that is dishwasher safe. Place it in the top rack of your dishwasher and run a full cycle. I always use high temperature for my dishes anyway, so it's already on high temperature, and that is what you need, especially when you want to make sure that the dishwasher is clean. The vinegar is not only going to help eliminate odors, it's also going to be able to cut through grease. So if your dishwasher is one that has any grease, any built up in there, most likely it's going to help bring it out. So once the cycle is over, you're going to remove your jar or whatever container you had your vinegar in. And for an extra step to make sure that we are thoroughly clean, we are also going to use some baking soda as well. Preferably use 1 cup of baking soda. This is all I had, and it's okay. My dishwasher is not that dirty anyway. Now I'm just going to sprinkle my baking soda all over the bottom part of my dishwasher, just like I'm doing. Baking soda has a little bit of abrasion power in it, so it's going to not just sanitize and deodorize, it is actually going to help scrub and clean your dishwasher, so any buildup that is in there is most likely going to be removed. I'm going to run another cycle, but this time not a full cycle. I'm just going to give it a 1 hour wash, and that should be enough to get rid of everything. After your 1 hour cycle is done, your dishwasher should come out looking perfect, absolutely clean. Just look at this. All parts are shiny, and you know that your dishwasher is clean, free from all bacteria, odors, and every part of it is pretty well cleaned and sanitized. Just look. Yes, now you can confidently just put your dishes in, wash them with no fear that you are going to end up having a lot of germs put on your dishes. This is a very simple kitchen hack, and I really hope you are able to try it. Yes, you may be very shocked to see what is in your dishwasher when you do it the first time. This is the detergent I use, and it not only washes my dishes, but it also washes my dishwasher as I run a cycle. Very helpful. Kindly give me a thumbs up and share. And until I come your way next time with something delicious or beneficial, be loving, be kind, be happy.